All right, good morning. We are on our way to Layton Auto Body in Ephraim. We got the Banana in tow. It's back there. I think it's full of snow now. Oh, weather report. It's cold and snowy and slick and dangerous, but we're gonna make it. Trevor's back there. He's supposed to be running the camera.
Yeah, what do you do?
So yesterday was a pretty good thrash to get the Banana ready to be up here. We had to get the hood on and we had to make it run again. I don't know why you took it apart. We were messing with heaters.
I was getting wiring out of the way so you didn't burn anymore.
Oh, that's right. We did light it on fire. Me and Tom did a while ago. Trevor fixed all that. So that's all back together. So it's running again. And yeah, we've been trying to sort out the defroster ducts and heater ducts and all that stuff. So anyway, here we are now. We're going to be Robbie shop in a few minutes. It's beautiful out there. This is B-roll, this is B-roll. Doesn't matter for talk, doesn't matter for talk. All right, we are here at Layton Auto Body. I'm not sure where he's gonna want us. Doesn't really matter, we can drive it anywhere.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Doing well, how are you doing?
Doing good. It's finally here. Got a little bit of road grime. Snowplow right there. We're gonna pull it away.
This is troubling, to say the least.
Luckily, we have a Matt's Off-Road Recovery rope.
Yeah?
That we'll use with Frank.
Do you think it could be that computer? All right, so we filmed a bunch of stuff yesterday and the SD card was corrupted. So we just found that out. So we got the computer from the Jeep dock, we got it plugged in. Trevor had to fix all this wiring that me and Tom lit on fire a couple of weeks ago. So we went through and ran all that and cleaned everything up. So that's what Trevor did. And then Rudy helped him with some of the stuff on the front. And then me and Trevor and Rudy and I, we put the hood on. We just kind of put it on for the trip. Oh my. We're not doing that thing any favors, are we? There we go. So we got the hood put on so that it could travel up here without the engine being exposed. So Robbie's gonna clean up all this stuff, but we had to reroute this massive fan and fan shroud. It's just super close there, but it fits with a little bit of clearancing, and that's basically what we did yesterday. Oh, we cut a hole in the dashboard for the heater duct and built a diffuser. The diffuser's still down there.
And polish the dash.
Yeah, we polished the dash right there. So the vinyl will lay nice and smooth. It's gonna have a headliner.
Okay.
Full headliner. And then of course door panels and seats, but the floor is exposed.
Okay, so paint.
All of these pillars are exposed.
Okay. So we'll just plan on painting the inside.
Yeah.
The doors, we'll be pulling them off and jamming them, and we'll be doing the jams here. So we'll do the inside. Do you want the interior yellow or black? It's a lot of work, but I think it'd look awesome with a yellow cage and black inside.
That's what we did on the Morvere. I don't want to create any unnecessary work.
It's the difference of masking. It's all the same prep.
Trevor, help me out. I need some input. So either all black or all black with a yellow roll cage. See, like I would do just one color because it's tied to the body everywhere.
We're all yellow.
You want it all yellow?
Yeah, it's named the banana for a reason.
Okay, all yellow. Do the entire thing yellow, except for the fenders, rock sliders.
Well, what's the inside color of a banana? Is that like a cream color?
Yeah, cream. Let's
Yeah,
go.
we
Let's
could do
go cream. No, that'd be awesome.
All one
color.
And we could airbrush it like a banana inside.
Put some seeds in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're dropping the banana off here at Robbie's shop, Leighton Auto Body from Utah. He offered, when he heard that I was redoing this, he reached out to me actually. He's like, hey, I want to be involved. So, why wouldn't I? It doesn't make any sense.
We've been friends and derbied for however many years.
We've never derbied against each other.
Not against each other, just in the same. You were in trucks,
I was in
cars.
trucks, yeah.
But
We
we've known each other for a long time.
Raced different classes.
I had to beat him. Just kidding.
We're just putting it in his hands. He's going to be doing all the paint and body inside and out. We're going for the banana's been working for 20 years, and this is its first time we're like giving it any real love. We're going to put it right back to work, so don't worry about us making it too nice to work. That's not going to happen. Watch the more of our videos. We work our stuff.
We'll make it nice enough that you're sad when you scratch it.
No, I won't be. I won't be.
Everyone else will be.
So that's the plan. I think we're going all yellow, inside and out yellow, other than the black upholstery and black dash. So we're going to be doing black, some sort of whatever Robbie picks for the sliders and the fenders. And then the bumpers will be black, obviously, and the rest will be yellow. You got a little bit of body work left to do.
Yeah.
I felt so bad when I was welding this up. I'm like, he should probably pull that dent before I weld it.
Well, we'll see if we can use some vice grips and pull that out.
No, you mix it up. And
Oh, yeah. We'll take some Bondo and just...
So, if you guys, most of you remember or saw, most of you watched the video where Robbie came down to my shop and pulled this out. The reason we had that pulled out was because I wanted to put this cage inside, and I didn't want to put a cage inside when it was pinched and then have Robbie try to pull it out. So that's why we had him come down and do that first before we put this inside. So we did both sides when we were doing the Golden Nugget. If you haven't checked out those videos, they're definitely worth watching. We got into a rock pretty hard with both sides of this. Once on the way in and once on the way out. Yeah, we're gonna leave her in the capable hands of Robbie and his crew. This is Hillbilly. I think between Robbie and Hillbilly, the banana's in good hands.
Yep. Then I've got another guy. He's busy working because we are a collision repair shop full time. So his name is Taylor. He's over in the paint shop right now just getting stuff done so we can focus on the banana today.
And stay tuned. You're going to want to subscribe to Robbie's channel because he's going to be painting the Golden Nugget. So those of you that are following the Golden Nugget build, this is the shop that's doing that.
Go check us out on YouTube. The name of my channel is just my first and last name, Robbie Leighton. So follow along.
Quick question. What's the timeline?
What is your timeline?
What is your timeline?
What is yours? Put in the comments how long you guys think this should take to paint.
Trevor could have it rattle canned out by lunch.
Okay, well, how about...
Easy.
Just don't put it in the back. That's all I care about.
This is the difference of do I have to work night and day or can I just work every day?
All right, well, we're going to head back home and get some other stuff done. Thanks for watching. So we're here with Officer Raditz from the Hurricane Police Department, and we're about to present him with a check for the money that you guys donated to the Shop with a Cop fundraiser for this Christmas season. Here we are. And a special thanks to you viewers that made this possible with your selfless donations. Appreciate it. This is going to make a great Christmas for lots of kids that wouldn't have a Christmas otherwise. So a special thanks to the Hurricane Police Department for running this program that helps so many families, especially this time of year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much to everybody who ordered patches to support this cause. It really means a lot to these kids. It means a lot to us. You can expect your patches by mid-January. Thanks for being patient, and thanks for watching.